My name is John Nicholson, and I'm here how to drive a C16 backhoe. This is the steering, this is the gear stick, this is the lever as you can see. If you cut like this, you will lift the bucket, and if you cut like this, you will lift the bucket, right? So if you cut like this, you can leave it like this, you will dump it like this. See? It's going forward because I'm trying to leave it like this. See? If I cut like this, I will lift up back and cut up back the bucket. Okay? So I'll go around the back to show you basics. So this is lever. This lever, like this one, so this one. You see? When you cut it forward, you drop the foot. When you cut it backwards, you can't even position it. When you cut it backwards, see? And also when you when you operate in the back, you have to put rev on the tractor. This is the rev. You cut like this, as you can see. Yes, and this is the lever. When I cut it out like this, you cut out the boom. When I cut it like this, as you can see, yes, and then I cut it back, you cut it in. When I cut it out like this, and then I move like this, and I cut it like this, oh shit. See, if you operate the back, the tractor will shut off, yeah? So when I move it, like, I have to put rev on the tractor. You get me? So when I cut it out like this, I move like this. You come in like this. When I do like this, see? When I cut it like this, like out like this, you go out. When I come like this, you come in. And this now, when I cut out, as you can see, the boom is moving. When I cut it back like this, as you can see, the boom is coming back. So yes, and this is C16 backhoe. Also, hold on a second. And also, this is the brake. You can't do this. You can't use the 2 foot and hold the brake. You have to use 1 foot. So you rest the foot in the middle and you sink the 2 brakes, right? Good. This is the rev, as you can, otherwise the gas pedal. And also, when you're finished with the back, when you're operating the back and you're finished with it, also you have to take out the rev off the tractor. You get me? So please follow instruction. Don't go wrong. This is the on. This is the 4-wheel drive. These are the switch for light. Yeah. And this is the key switch, as you can see. Also, this is the handbrake, but it is a bit it is not working. Yeah. So